Welcome everybody to the channel. In today's video, we are going to give you the ultimate 20-minute HIIT workout designed to burn as much fat as possible. So if you're ready to torch some calories and transform your body, let's get started. We'll start with a warm-up, then move into the fat-burning circuit, and end with a cool-down. Here's what we're going to do. 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of butt kicks, 30 seconds of arm circles, 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of butt kicks, and 30 seconds of arm circles. Now that our muscles are warmed up, it's time to move on to the fat-burning circuit. We'll perform each exercise for 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds before moving on to the next one. Make sure to push yourself during those 45-second intervals to really get your heart rate up and burn calories. Here's the circuit. 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 lunges, 10 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 lunges, and 10 sit-ups. Now let's move on to the next round of the circuit. This time we'll add an additional 5 reps to each exercise, so it's 15 of each. Remember to maintain good form and control throughout the entire circuit. Let's move on to the final and toughest round of the circuit. This time, we'll perform each exercise for 20 repetitions. Push-ups, squats, lunges, and sit-up. Remember to breathe throughout the entire workout and push yourself to the limit during each interval. Once you've completed all 3 rounds of the circuit, it's time for the cool-down. Take 1 minute to stretch your major muscle groups. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and focus on your breathing. This will help your body recover and reduce muscle soreness. And that's it. You've completed the ultimate 20-minute fat-burning workout. If you found this workout helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more fitness tips and workouts. Thanks for watching and happy sweating. In the link below is a supplement for you to give you energy.